Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
Że zjawi się w tym samym czasie co druga służąca. Afort nie znosiła niekompetencji u innych, u siebie nie mogła jej ścierpieć. Afort pochyliła głowę, skłoniwszy się, przyspieszyła kroku i zacisnęła drżące dłonie na tacy, żywiąc nadzieję, że królowa nie będzie natychmiast. Rzecz jasna, w tak katatonicznym stanie, w jakim znajdowała się królowa, trudno było oczekiwać, że wyrazi cokolwiek, czy to zadowolenie, czy też jego brak. Lecz Hafold była w stanie wyczuć najmniejsze ruchy królowej. Po tylu latach królowa była dla niej zarazem jak matka.
Fucking wanker, man. Kurwa, skurwiel, jeb... Straight away to the police.
Leżały o plażę i palec, a Weiss zdawało się, że czas wydłuża się i zamiera. Plaga, pomyślała nagle. Czym w zasadzie się przejmuje? Po prostu zaraz zejdę z palca i wrócę do osady, gdzie ojciec zacznie jeden ze swoich wykładów na temat tego, jak powinna zachowywać się córka.
Join the millions who value their car with AutoTrader, Britain's biggest matchmaker. To verify, email Brian at AutoTrader.
Good idea, kids.
KFM loves getting prepared for the festive season with Tayside Forestry.
Discovering the perfect Christmas tree has
Never good.
whether you live in a
Kids, footballs on the road.
all one time, Tayside Forestry have got you covered.
Fuck's sake, man.
And that's on the top of our budget.
Well, this one,
Yeah,
375 that.
yeah, top of budget.
ABS works.
Yeah.
Что там у людей пожар? Ух ты, там машина что ли горит? Машина, по-моему, горит.
Somebody's car burned, and it's very dangerous because it can blow up. It can blow up in a second. Shall we go through or turn around? What if it's gonna blow? Because if it's a petrol one, it's gonna blow very badly if it's a petrol. I don't want to damage my taxi or even worse. Oh my gosh. Where is fireman?
Time. You're right.
Looks like someone sold the car and set fire to it.
On the purpose, like it.
I think so.
Here they come.
Yeah.
Oh.
Firefighters.
Oh dear.
Wow. Something for YouTube. Shall we go and film it? How they gonna do fire?
What flip?
So look, let's film it. Quick, let's film it. What they gonna do? Take your phone out. You can get out of the car if you want.
Nice, okay, you can see it.
Can you?
Yeah,
Oh dear. Oh my god, look at that. Firefighters, come on guys, do it. Do it guys, do it.
get back and do it. No, what if somebody was in that car?
No, somebody said, man said somebody probably done it on purpose. Somebody set fire on purpose to that car. Oh my gosh. The firefighters just arrived, guys. Pimlico Lane. Oh my god. Oh, you see something exploded just now. Something was like...
Oh my god.
Tires, yeah. I think one of the tires just exploded. But I hope it's not the petrol, because if the fuel tank's gonna blow, it's gonna be a big blast. It's gonna be like, BANG!
Oh yeah.
Look, they do, oh my god. Guys, don't go Pimlico Lane, guys, avoid it. In the morning it was floods, now it's fire. So where's the rain when you need it? Why rain didn't put the fire down? Whoa, they've done it pretty quick, look, pretty much very quick.
Yeah, but it won't set out because...
With the foam, I think they're doing it with the foam, yeah, look.
Yeah.
It's not just the water, it's the foam. Yeah.
It's probably an electrical car.
I don't think it's electrical, it looked like a Land Rover to me, or Range Rover. So it's either a diesel...